Do you feel that since opening the Techy branches that people have come in and they already know the brand, they already know what it's like and what they're
Yes,
expecting?
yeah, people live around, and even I would say whole Florida, and we have visitors too, so they know about Techy, and it's good to be, be trustable companies and random name. If you choose any random name, people don't know, and sometimes honestly they don't trust their devices to repair because everybody's information and stuff, inside a phone. So as they're looking somewhere to give their electronic devices, they can trust.
Okay. And how long have you had your Techy location yourself?
It's gonna be a year on January. So
Congratulations. Yeah.
thank you.
And from what you've told me, outside of this, you have partners at other locations as well, correct?
Yeah, there is one in Port St. Lucie, and I have store, but not Techy. This is a different name, but still inside of Walmart.
Okay, so even managing and owning your own Techie, you still have the opportunity to have other branches and locations with other people, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, and so